So in this video we're going to go through some more examples of multiplying terms together, and this time I'm going to include some negative indices. So first one, we have 3x cubed times by 5x to the minus 5. So first of all, multiply your coefficients together. 3 times 5 is 15. Then we have x cubed times by x to the minus 5. So 3 plus negative 5, or 3 take away 5, is minus 2. So this will be x to the minus 2. Number 2, we have 15 x to the minus 1 y times by 2 x y to the minus 1. So multiply your coefficients together first. 15 times 2 is 30. Then we have x to the minus 1 times x. Now remember, that's x to the 1, so minus 1 plus 1 is 0. X to the 0 is just 1. So just for the moment, I'm going to write x to the 0. Okay? Then we have y times y to the minus 1. So that's y to the 1 times y to the minus 1. 1 take away 1 is 0. So we have y to the 0. So actually, x to the 0 is 1. Y to the 0 is 1. And so we'll just write that as 30. Okay? Where x and y are non-zero, of course. So, number 3. We have 10x to the minus 3 y squared times 5x to the minus 8 y to the minus 6. So, first of all, 10 times 5 is 50. Then x to the minus 3 times x to the minus 8. Minus 3, take away 8 is minus 11, so x to the minus 11. Then y squared times y to the minus 6. 2 take away 6 is minus 4. So y to the minus 4. Number 4, we have 3x squared y to the minus 3 z to the minus 1 times 6x to the minus 1 y to the 10 z to the minus 12. So 3 times 6 first is 18. Then we have x squared times x to the minus 1. 2 take away 1 is 1, so we're just going to have x to the 1. Y to the minus 3 times y to the 10. Minus 3 plus 10 is 7, so y to the 7. Z to the minus 1 times z to the minus 12. Minus 1 take away 12 is minus 13, so z to the minus 13. And the last one, we have minus 2 x to the minus 5 times y times 3 x to the minus 2 y to the minus 3 times minus 4 x to the 10 y to the minus 10. So deal with the coefficients first. Minus 2 times 3 times minus 4. Well, minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. Times by minus 4 will be 24. X to the minus 5 times x to the minus 2 times x to the 10. Minus 5 take away 2 is minus 7. Plus 10 is 3, so x to the 3. Then y times y to the minus 3 times y to the minus 10. 1 take away 3 is minus 2. Take away 10 is minus 12, so y to the minus 12.